similar representations. So, my lord, it was thought proper, pro-student measure, that let everyone get an opportunity to apply. But the relevant figures are now, my lord, with me.
No, but this order was in respect of one student,
Only.
who had not paid his fees.
Correct.
So now what did the NTA do? NTA allowed everybody to apply afresh.
Yes, sir. Correct.
NTA had received 3,000 presentations and 900 emails on account of inability of the students to make the application due to mismatch, not able to, authentication could not be done by most of the students. OTP was not received, OTP could not be received, and fees could not be made. So all these aspects were the subject matter of fees representation. In the light of this court order and the order of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, we opened up this registration.
But this order had nothing to do with that.
Order is
The Karnataka disposed it.
But the relevant figure is this. My lord, we received, as my learned friend says, because of these difficulties, they could not make the my lord, appropriate application within time. My lord, we received 15,000 new registrations, approximately, maybe plus minus. My lord, we received 3,000 physical representations and 900 representations on email. But the relevant figure is this. Out of this new 14,094 students, 15,094 students,
Yes.
those who will be getting admission in 1,08,000 are only 44.
44 students are
Qualifying for getting admission and are within 1,08,000, which is the total number of medical seats.
40.
And let's 12,665 candidates are getting less than 200. That means they are failing.
12,000.
665 out of these.
200 marks out of
720.
720.
They are failing. Out of 1,500, 12,000 are 15,000, 12,000 are failing. Just to indicate and satisfy.
Only 44 got in at
Yes.
To satisfy our Lordship's conscience
Yes.
that this was not, my lord, intended to help someone.
Right.
It was, my lord, a pro-student measure ultimately that we have received 3,000 physical representations and 900 representations on email. Let window be open for 2 days. And the figure new registration is 15,094. 15,085. Not I stand corrected. Out of his 14.
Oh.
Thousand 85.
Yes, Mr. Huda.
Yes, Lord. Lord, I don't want to spend much time on
No,
that.
one more aspect. Manoj. There was one kind of a discrepancy which was noticed in the first half regarding that Jaipur. The chart which your lordships have seen contains where in 2003 and 2004 there was an increase. In 2003, 3% fall within, let's say, first 100, and it became 4. In Jaipur, that is Rajasthan, 2023 also 9 students were in first 100, and this time also they were in first 100. So that chart depicts cities where there is an increase this time, which is from 224, 225. The rest are 110, 110, etc.
Yes.
On the Lord, IIT chart, I don't want to spend much time. Just 2-3 tables I want to show, and I want to proceed because there is much better evidence on record to show a leak and a systemic.
Now, what are your submissions? Now, why don't you formulate
My
your submission?
submission with regard to IIT chart, first was that there is a conflict of interest. 2, they have taken the data of 23,33,000 to have this bell-shaped curve and to say that